The engines on the Almasodal look forward to Halloween. They love the Fat Controller's fireworks. And the children dressing up as wizards and witches. They also love Edward's spooky stories.
Once upon a time before the Northwestern Railway was founded, there was a tender engine. His name was Alfredton. He was the same class as Donald and Douglas. Early one morning, he was taking a train of trucks to the smelter's yard, but along the way, a low-hanging branch knocked his whistle off. His driving fireman looked for it, but his fireman told him that they would find it on the way back, but they never did. As he was getting ready for his return trip, another engine who was pushing some trucks bumped into him. He tried to tell him to stop, but he couldn't without his whistle. He tried to put the brakes on, but he couldn't without his driving fireman, whose crew could only watch as he fell into the smelting pit. He found his whistle the next day, but the engine was never seen again. And they say that on every Halloween, the engine returns to the smelters looking for his lost woo-woo whistle.
Spooky! Later, the Fat Controller arrived. Chubbish Percy Jock, I have a special job for you. You are to collect some scrap from the smelter's yard tonight.
On Halloween?
Don't worry, you will be back in time for the fireworks. Percy isn't worried about missing the fireworks. He's a scaredy engine.
I am not!
But Percy was a little. At the smelters, all Percy could think about was Edward's ghost story. Thomas could see Percy was scared, so he teased him even more. What's that up there? Is it a spook?
It's just a piece of twisted scrap, isn't it?
Thomas was having fun. He kept on teasing Percy. Careful, the ghost engine doesn't get you.
There's no such things as ghosts!
Duck felt sorry for Percy.
Nobody's brave all the time.
But I'm not a scaredy engine!
The job was nearly complete. Well done. Now I need one engine to finish up. Duck wanted to pay Thomas back for all his teasing.
Please, sir, I'm sure Thomas wouldn't mind staying.
Of course not. I'm not a scaredy engine. So Duck and Percy left. When Thomas was by himself, every sound and every shadow was spooky. He was beginning to feel very scared. There's no such things as ghosts. Who is there? Thomas was so busy looking for ghosts, he didn't watch where he was going. The chains felt like ghost fingers. Something's got me! Thomas wheezed himself an old steam whistle. The ghost whistle! And he sped away as fast as his wheels would carry him. The ghost engine is after me!
It was naughty of Thomas to tease you, Percy.
Oh, he was only playing. But I hope he hurries up. I wouldn't want him to be late for the fireworks.
He's after me!
Oh, I don't think it would be late.
Duck and Percy joined the other engines for the fireworks.
Where's Thomas? He'll miss all the fun.
It would serve him right for all of his teasing.
But Percy was worried, so he went to look for his friend. he found Thomas all alone in the shed.
Are you alright, Thomas?
Yes, I'm sorry I teased you, Percy. Duck was right. We all feel scared sometimes.
And we all have to say sorry sometimes. So come on, Thomas. We can watch the fireworks just as well from here.
And he was right.
Into that gun, we won't see you no more. You're a fool if you try. Stay away from that trapdoor. You'll be saying bye-bye. Frightening beasts with 16 legs, they'll wait with open jaws. They pass the time while they sit up sharpening their claws. Who will be the first to stop our bellies rumbling? Who will open up that door and down that hole come tumbling? You're a fool if you dare. Stay away from that trapdoor. I know there's something down there. And don't you go messing with that trap door, 'cause you'll get yourself in a real jam. It'll give you the fright of your life, however long that might be. So do yourself a favor.